All right, Jay, this is Mrs. Cole. I'm super excited to bring you our very first Pride assembly of the 2020-21 school year. We are going to talk about our new mascot search. We are going to talk about students of the week and staff of the week. So get ready. Here we go. All right. We are searching for a new mascot and we need your help. Take a look at the following options and then you will have an opportunity to cast your vote. Today is the very last day for voting, so we want to make sure that everybody's voices are heard. What will you name the mascot? We also need a name. So pay close attention to what animals are options so that you can choose a name for our mascot. The first two options are the River Heights Academy Wildcats or the River Heights Academy Bears. The next two options are the River Heights Academy Eagles or the River Heights Academy Huskies. Next, we have a very important decision about our school colors. You can choose between color combination 1, blue and gold, color combination 2, green and blue, color combination 3, orange and blue, or color combination 4, green and gold. You can vote right now at http://bit.ly/R_A_M mascot. I cannot wait to announce next week what our new school colors and school mascot are. I cannot wait to hear what you guys are going to vote for. It's going to be awesome. All right, now moving into the Pride portion of our assembly. My video wants to just bounce around here. We have our Pride mascots here joining us to honor our students of the week. Problem-solving panda, responsibility rhino, integrity iguana, drive dolphin, and empathy elephant. It looks like from the things that your teachers have nominated for you, problem-solving panda and empathy elephant, problem-solving panda and drive dolphin were working in overtime this week. We have had a lot of students nominated for showing problem-solving and drive. Keep up the great work. At the end of the month, all students of the week are going to be entered in a drawing for a very special prize. So make sure you are showing your problem-solving, responsibility, integrity, and drive, and empathy to see if it's your turn to get nominated for Student of the Week. All right, our Students of the Week are Janessa Malone, drive, 8th grade. Janessa was nominated by Miss Anderson, who said, Janessa did not have access to Clever and was unsure about her login credentials. She used her personal email address to email me to get all of her information so she could begin virtual schooling. She was proactive and took charge of the situation. I'm proud of her for thinking on her feet. Awesome job, Janessa! Next, Amari Gray, drive, kindergarten. Amari is always doing his best and working hard all of the time, from Miss Becky. Keep up the great work, Amari. Next, in 4th grade, we have Jason Raths, problem solving. Miss Crunk nominated Jason because she says, as a class, we couldn't figure out how to figure out the math content in Freckle. For some reason, only the ELA was showing up for everyone. Jason used his problem-solving skills and figured out what we needed to do to find the math. Awesome work, Jason. Amani Hall, drive, in 1st grade. Miss Frascarelli says Amani is always willing to give things a try. She always has a positive attitude, and no matter how hard something is, she gives it her best and doesn't give up. 5th grade, Dylan Command, problem solving. Miss Borowski says, Dylan wasn't sure how to do something on the computer on Monday, but by Wednesday, he had found a way to solve his problem and help others with it too. Awesome job, Dylan. Keep up the great work. Lennox Ogden in 6th grade was nominated for problem solving. McStone says, Lennox has been proactive in helping students and teachers navigate tech questions. He's also been a voice for compromise and problem solving. Awesome job, Lennox. Maybe you can help me with some tech questions later on this week. We also have some staff of the week who were nominated. Mrs. Hill for problem solving. Mrs. Hill is one of our awesome interventionists, and she has worked really hard to problem solve to help Miss Frascarelli and figure out how to make 1st grade awesome while Miss Frascarelli goes to have her baby. Thanks so much, Miss Hill. Keep it up. Miss Knapp, empathy. Miss Knapp is always thinking about how to make her curriculum better for her students, more engaging for her students, and how she can really use her knowledge and skills to make conversations and issues in social studies come alive in a way that is respectful and empathetic to her class. Keep up the awesome work, Miss Knapp. All right. That concludes our very first Pride Student of the Week Awards. Miss Cole will try to get better and better and better with the video as we go on. And we look forward to seeing all of your faces on a Zoom screen near you coming soon. Have a good one.